Welcome to Polyb Creation, where innovation meets precision. Today we explore how a private car is built, from raw metal to a finished machine. It all begins with raw materials. Heavy steel arrives at the factory. The foundation of every car starts here. Massive machines cut the steel with extreme precision, every piece shaped perfectly. For the next stage, powerful presses transform flat metal into doors, roofs, and panels. The car begins to take shape. The backbone of the car is assembled. Robotic arms weld each joint with accuracy. Strength meets engineering. The full structure comes alive. Each panel connected, forming the skeleton of the vehicle. Sparks fly as machines seal every joint, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Inside the paint chamber, the car receives its color, smooth, glossy, and flawless. The heart of the machine is installed. Power and performance come together. Now comes comfort and control. Seats, dashboard, and electronics are carefully fitted. Every detail is inspected. Every function tested, from raw steel to a complete Sayara. This is the journey of precision. This is Polyb Creation,